Yeah, man! Welcome to the Frickcast and to the Grizzly Naturals soap guides. Today, we're slamming one back with a cranberry cocktail. This is a Christmas limited offered by Grizzly Naturals. It is an intriguing winter blend to relax with on Christmas Day. But just how well does it mix with the shower? Well, let's get into this cheerful brick. We'll begin with the unique ingredients. We first have some essential oils: guaiac wood, clove bud, patchouli, and benzoin. These contain some appearance-boosting properties, tightening, brightening, and toning skin, as well as smoothing and soothing. There's also cranberry puree. Cranberries are known for their antioxidant properties that help boost collagen production, leaving skin hydrated and glowing. Bourbon adds some more soothing, calming, anti-inflammatory benefits. And finally, we have oatmeal and orange peels that provide the bar's medium grit. This added exfoliation helps clear away dead skin and impurities, allowing the rest of the bar to clean deeper. Overall, this bar looks designed to soothe irritated skin and leave it looking and feeling healthy and refreshed. As for the scent, well, this is where the bar kinda falls apart for me. Unfortunately, I think we're dealing with another full moon situation. I don't know if it's a bad batch or what. I hope it is, but there is no cranberry, there is no tartness, no crispness, no freshness. Instead, it's that grandma perfume scent again, mixed with a dash of rot. I don't know, man. Anyone else have this problem? What's your bar smell like? I can only review the bar I'm sent, and I can only give you my honest opinion on it. I'm not sure if it's maybe the patchouli overtaking everything else or what, or maybe the other oils evaporating, I don't know. Thankfully, this is a lighter potency. I can somewhat get a hint of what smells like candy orange, I'm not sure. I definitely, though, don't get any cranberry. It's not tart, it's not refreshing, it's just disappointing. As for using the bar, it is kinda hard to feel clean with that scent, but the bar does feel alright to use. I do like the medium grit that's mainly oatmeal. I think Grizzly does a good job of balancing their grit levels, and this is another example. As for my thoughts, I'm not sure what to make of this brick. I assume I got a bad batch, and I'll probably have to try this one again down the line. I'm pretty disappointed with this bar. I love cranberry, so I had high hopes for it, especially after trying the candy apple brick, which I thought it would be similar to. And it was similar in feel, just not in scent. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. What do you think of the cranberry cocktail? Are you knocking a few of these back on Christmas morning? For those of you who have tried it, let me know what your experience was with it. As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty. Yeah, man!